Ah, creo que la pusieron, más bien. Creo que no la entregaron así. Bueno, antes que nada quería pedir disculpas por la calidad del audio del micrófono. Pues todavía no lo sé configurar y estaba un poco saturado y creo que va a estar saturado toda la serie. Y hasta ahora me doy cuenta. Lo siento mucho por eso. Pero pues problemas que pasan y problemas que se pueden solucionar. Así que dentro video, en la próxima serie, pues estará un mejor micrófono. Así que nada, disfruten el video, disfruten el canal. Así que nos vemos enseguida. Y bueno, se está
Está
dormido.
roncando.
Va a ser Nora, a ver qué hago. Me voy a levantar, soy el jefe.
No, espérate, primero chismosemos y luego si lo levantas.
Pero, a ver,
Flycatcher needs to dust this guy.
¿cómo te lo podemos conseguir? ¿La puedo usar? ¿Qué puedo?
Ush.
Y ni se inmuta. Me voy a levantar porque es que...
Pero,
Hey, you awake?
no.
Probably for the best.
¿Se ve? ¿No lo puedo levantar? Hola, ahí entonces. Ah, es que eso es para... ¿Es para despido?
Been a while since I got any mail.
A ver, hablamos. Cositas por hacer.
7th day in a row.
A él escribe. ¿Y la mamá? ¿Los papás?
Nos cocinó la bola de
Miss,
capernicus.
Mr. and Miss. A ver, ¿quiénes viven acá? Carpet, Foul, Storage, Private. No sé dónde vivo, Snow White en el 601.
En la 904, que fue la que la abrió, ¿no?
Ah, bueno, pues sí. O sea, vivo en el 9º piso. ¿Viste?
Sabes que yo cuando era muy pequeña pensaba que decía 502 era porque habían 500
500 apartamentos. Yo pensé que esta era la comisaría, pero no es donde él vive. Yo decía, yo soy el jefe de él. Mira cómo baja. Para el detalle, te puedo estar loco.
No había nada más allá para
No,
chismosear.
no me dejaba ir. ¿Quién baja? ¿Quién baja? ¿Quién va bajando? ¡Bestia!
Bestia.
Bigby, hey,
Pero
wait
este
up.
está guapo,
Have you seen my wife? Have you seen Beauty?
No la vi, no la vi, no la vi, no la vi,
Ah.
no la vi, no
Have
la
you?
vi. No sabemos qué tal que le pegue, Caleb. No la
Nope.
vi.
Haven't seen her.
Lo va a recordar.
Okay.
Le
Sorry to bother
mentí,
you.
¿viste?
Damn
Caleb,
it.
¿tú qué querías que tal que le
Something's
pegara?
going on.
Pero ese es de los míos. Pues se transforma y todo. Está musculoso. ¿Viste lo musculoso que estaba este?
Simplemente, ay, se dice, ¿por qué yo sí la viste? No, pues yo seguí el largo y ya.
Hombre.
Ya.
Sí, se le mentía. Bestia, es un pana.
¿Qué es eso?
Damn.
¿Qué
Should have
cosa?
cracked a window.
¿Qué cosa es eso?
Abrir el. Sacar el teléfono.
¿Quién sabe? Cosas de 2011, amor.
What a night.
¿Qué puedo hacer? Vamos al congelador a ver qué hay.
No.
No hay nada.
Damn it.
No hay ni hielo. Está la escarcha.
Why do I even own this? Should have got a smaller one.
Carpeta de barba azul. Comida china. Mira la comida china. A ver, tiene que estar
Don't
con.
even remember ordering that. Probably a bad sign.
Coma mucho. No sé, coma.
Bluebeard's
Bluebeard.
file.
¿Qué es blue?
Never trusted this guy.
máquina de escribir. ¿Lo prendo o no?
At least this still works.
Prendámoslo a ver si no se rompe.
Should help.
¿Qué? Esas costumbres raras no son de mi tierra. Jolín.
Ay. Mi familia mató un cerdo el 31.
Ah, me golpeó.
Oh, hey, Big B.
Ah, es uno de los tres, es uno de los tres cerditos, ¿no? Este fue el lobo que sopla también, ¿no?
Yeah, get out.
No sé ni qué, no sé ni qué.
No, fuimos en la habitación.
No sé ni qué le dije. Es uno de los,
Esta es la abuela, la que
es-
está en el cuadro. Ay, pobrecito.
Es uno de los.
Upa. Ah.
No quería pararlo, no sé por qué. No sabía ni
Got a
qué me.
smoke?
Y fuma.
Thanks. Couple thousand more of these, we'll be even on that house you owe me.
Esta es la historia de los tres
This
cerditos.
has gotta stop. You can't keep sneaking off the farm like this.
The fresh air and sunshine pitch they sell you on is bullshit. I didn't escape out of the homelands to end up in some prison, okay? Don't send me back there, Big B. You don't know what it's like, okay? You haven't been there.
Nada.
Calm down. I'm not sending you back.
That for me?
Nope.
The house didn't blow itself down, Bigby. That's all I'm saying. Do with that what you will. Now, I'm not saying it's reason enough for me to have definitely been offered a drink, but, it would have helped ease some of the pain you once caused me, yes?
Gracias.
It also would have shown everyone how different you are now.
¿Qué hago?
Pues que te
If that was
callaron.
all you were saying, I'd be able to get some rest.
I take it all back. This is why everyone
Creo que
hates
no le
you.
quise decir eso, pero. Mejor ser temido que ser amado, ¿sí?
¿Me oye?
Todos me odian.
So, everyone hates me.
Nah, I'm just giving you shit.
Claro,
I'm doing
porque
my
era el
best
malo de la
here.
fábula, ¿no?
Clearly, that is not true. What with the selfishness with the bourbon. But, no. Hate's the wrong word. They fear you more than anything. You ate a lot of people back in your day.
I thought we were all supposed to have a fresh start here. I can't change the past.
Well, you can't change people's memories either. Look, I'm not saying it's fair, but it's real. People are scared of you. I mean, look at your hands.
A todas molidas de los golpes.
Who'd you
Claro.
get in a fight with? A fable, right? I'm sure you're not going around punching Mondays.
No es mi culpa. La verdad, no
my
es mi
fault.
culpa.
I get the impression you say that a lot.
No le sorprende. Y porque estoy viviendo
You
con el
think
que
my
le
job is
la casa.
easy? You try keeping a bunch of fables from killing each other. How do you think this all works?
I don't know. How?
By being big and being bad.
By being big and being bad. Don't say that shit in front of people. It's embarrassing. That's the attitude that gets you in trouble. I'm sure you were shitty to everyone you came across tonight.
Not everyone.
Name one.
No le sé el nombre, la verdad.
Había una chica, no me
Había una
interesa.
I don't actually know her name.
Awesome. Great example.
Sí, suena raro.
Life is easier with friends, Bigby. And we live a long fucking time.
Sí, sí, ¿cuánto
I
vivirán
know
las
you like
fábulas?
this whole lone wolf thing you got going for yourself. But I've seen the way you look at snow, okay? You're not fooling me.
Will you shut up?
Well, maybe if my throat wasn't so parched, I
¿Le
wouldn't have
gusta?
to keep talking.
Sí.
Wait, that doesn't make
Just
sense.
give me a drink, please.
Colin, enough already. I haven't slept in 2 days. I went out a second-story window, and I want to get in 2 seconds of shut-eye before I...
¿Qué?
Look, if I give you this, Will you let me sleep?
Yeah, all right. Probably.
Quedarse.
Se lo va a dar. Para que me dejen en paz, en verdad. Estamos más rarito.
Thanks, Bigby.
The Big Bad Wolf.
Está la abuela, ¿no?
No alcanzo a ver. Sí, es la abuela, parece que es la abuela. Pues Caperucita. Ah, no.
No, porque la abuela
Big Big. El lobo se comió a la abuela, ¿no? O algo así.
Sí.
Ah, no, el lobo sí, el lobo se la comió y se disfrazó de la abuela. O sea, que este pibe se comió a la abuela. ¿Quién está por ahí? Ahora es.
Bigby,
Snow?
come with me.
¿Qué pasa?
Snow. Snow!
What? Sorry, What is it?
¿Qué pasa?
What happened?
I just can't get into it this second. We need to hurry to.
Hi.
Hello.
¿Quién es?
Good morning. Or evening.
¿Quién eres?
Yeah.
¿Quién es? Es un humano.
These walls are paper thin. We need to be careful. We'll talk outside.
¿Me prestas? ¿Cómo? Completé el capítulo 2 ya. Loco, ¿qué? ¿Qué es eso?
El que está durmiendo.
¿Está durmiendo? Sí.
El que estaba durmiendo. ¿No?
No. Es como la chaqueta.
Por eso les aparecieron.
Pero si ahí viste los pies, ahí estaban
Ahí está.
ahí estaba
los
durmiendo.
pies.
Ah, creo que la pusieron, más bien. Creo que no la entregaron así.
No.
You knew this girl? She's not a Mundy, right? Who was she? I thought I knew everyone in Fabletown. She looks familiar. I can't place her, though.
Una chica cualquiera.
A working girl?
A working girl? I'm a working... Oh.
Tiene algo en la boca.
Ajá.
The woodsman. He attacked her, I stepped in. And he threatened to kill us both.
No. You don't think he...
Por
I
ahora es
don't
el
think
primer
anything yet.
sospechoso.
Just give me a second.
It's just...
Que la encontró.
¿Quién la encontró?
So, who found her?
I did. She was just like this. I didn't touch her. I grabbed Grimble's jacket to cover her with. Then, I came to get you right away.
No one else was with you?
No. Big P, did one of us do this?
There hasn't been a murder in Fabletown in a long time.
All the more reason we shouldn't start a panic before we know what's going on. I'll have a look around. We don't have much time before people will be coming through here.
What is... It's her ribbon.
Que no han ido.
There's some kind of symbol here.
Huh. I don't recognize it.
Neither do I. Strange cut. What did this to her?
What could do something like that?
Either something very sharp or something with magic attached to it. She was placed here with some care.
What do you mean?
You can see that someone didn't just toss her here. She was deliberately placed for us to find.
What kind of monster would do this?
¡Ey!
En
Fue
verdad
la
me
Snow
quedé
White.
choqueado, ¿eh?
Yo creo que fue ella.
¿Por qué?
Le dio celos.
¿Solo de qué?
O fue la bella.
La vela.
I'm sorry. This is just so surreal.
Le dio celos de que él estaba pequeño como él.
Para mí fue el leñador.
What do you want to do
Pues más
next?
murió, ¿no fue?
Ellos no mueren. Investigarlo, en verdad voy a
We
investigarlo.
still have some time. I should keep investigating the area.
Okay, good idea.
Bueno, está la
Hasta donde está
Voy a hablar a ver con ella.
Hacia
Hey,
los
Snow.
pasos.
You alright?
¿Cómo?
Hacia los
Yes.
pasos.
Thanks. But you should hurry. We don't have much time left. We should head back inside soon.
Ok. Y aún hasta allá.
Blood. Drops of blood. I'd say it's been here an hour, maybe?
¿Qué es esto? Un retazo.
No signs that it's been here long.
¿Quién la habrá matado?
Fabric. Looks like jeans. Doesn't tell me much.
Me dice mucho, pero es.
En la basura, en la basura.
Y hay cosas.
Exacto.
Ah, alguien se lastimó.
More blood. Someone might have hopped the fence, got caught, then left the trail I found earlier.
Toca que está pendiente por alguien que se le coge una piedra.
Blood. Still wet. Sharp enough. Just some loose trash.
Bueno, buscamos a alguien que esté cojo. Lastimado una pierna.
Hacia el otro lado, no.
Le vamos a mostrar la tela, a ver. Ajá, ¿comparar tela?
What are you doing?
Better to be thorough.
Sure, just hurry up. We don't have much time.
No. Combina el color.
We should move her before anyone shows up. We'll find out more at the business office. She'll be in the books. I'm sure of it. Bigby, do you have any idea what's going on?
Es un mensaje, ¿no? Claramente es un
Why
mensaje.
her?
This is a message.
A message? I don't know, Bigby. I get complaints at the office all the time, but just what about this makes you think that?
La ubicación de la
Whoever
cabeza.
did this isn't exactly hiding it. The placement of the head, it's exact, purposeful. She was placed here precisely for us to find. All of us.
Well, yes. I guess you're right. The killer wanted us to
Blanca
know
está de
what
acuerdo
he'd
con tu
done.
teoría. Snow White.
I'm gonna have to tell Crane about this.
¿Quieres creer?
As long as King Cole is gone, he's acting mayor. He needs to know.
Rey Cole.
And he's going to find out anyway, so we may as well get out in front of
Espera
him.
un poco.
It'll
Espera un poco,
just be
sí, más bien
worse
espera
if
un
he
poco.
finds out we held it from him.
We should wait until we have more to tell him. Right now, all we know is a girl is dead. Telling Crane doesn't change that, and I've got all the motivation I need to find out who did this.
That sounds reasonable, but I don't know. I'll think about it.
I just don't want him interfering.
Crane's not what's important right now. We need to figure out who this girl was so we can find whoever did this. Take this back to Dr. Swinehart. He can take a
Por
look at it.
corazón.
I'll meet you at the business office.
El doctor por corazón. ¿Por qué me están dando que complete el capítulo 3 del episodio 1?
What are you, blind?
¿Qué?
What, you don't see there's a line? I've been standing here a half hour already. You get to just walk in? Must be nice being the sheriff.
Trabajo acá.
Do whatever the fuck you like.
I work here.
And what great work you do, Sheriff.
That didn't feel very genuine.
Fucker.
Accuse me of impropriety. Yes, I see.
I...
Because you are the one bringing this to me, Miss Snow. The one who so simply stumbled upon this catastrophe on our very doorstep. The last thing I need with Mayor Cole away is a hysteria. Do you understand me?
Yes, of course I do.
Don't interrupt me, Miss Snow.
You asked me a question.
Don't change the subject. You are to blame for this unpleasantness, Miss Snow.
I brought you this news as soon as I could.
You are trusted to keep
Disculpa,
things
nadie.
running smoothly around here. This is a
Calme.
disaster.
Back off, Ichabod. It's not her fault.
I don't need your help, Bigby.
Instead of trying to assign blame, maybe we should figure out how to catch the fucker who did this.
Oh, says the man who is most to blame for this catastrophe. How convenient. Sheriff, you are the one charged with protecting the citizens of Fabletown. Your failure to do so cost someone their life
Pero en
and
ese
the
caso
safety
nunca
of the
pasa
entire
nada,
community.
o qué.
Tell me you've been doing something. Are there any leads? Suspects? Anything. Anything at all. Any shred of evidence you two know what the hell you're doing. Because right now, I have half a mind to fire the both of you.
Sí,
Yeah,
es-
her pimp.
Her... was she
Yeah. She was worried about a money situation.
Well, this is just wonderful. Not only is a fable killed, but it was a fable hooker to boot. You two need to get a handle on this situation quickly and quietly. The last thing we need is all of
Pero
Fabletown
Blancanieves
knowing
es la
there's a
que
killer
es.
amongst us.
Ella es como la directora
Snow.
del edificio.
Yes? Sir?
Call Vivian right this minute and let her know I'm coming in early for my massage.
I will.
Where is the bottle of wine you were to purchase?
Es como una
¿Qué?
secretaria.
Oh, bother. Forget it. Can't do anything right.
Qué cabrón.
Do your job, Sheriff. Or we'll find someone who can.
Váyase a la mierda.
You know what?
Stop.
Me salvó,
We'll get on it right away, sir.
Perdón, me salvó, Me salvó porque lo hubiera dicho.
You would have just pissed him off more.
All right.
Well, that could have gone better. Well, I guess I should have listened to you and
¿Quién
waited.
es él?
Wasn't gonna say I told you so.
Ay,
You
decía
don't
que
have
el
to say
director
it.
de yo no sé
It would have been better to
Son
have more to
operaciones,
offer.
sí, pero
Get our
en
ducks
el
in a row.
cuento que es.
Oh, Crane doesn't like people smoking and... Never mind. Smoke
Me la
away.
recontrasuda. Usarse masajes por las mañanas, ¿qué fue eso del vino? Crane es un
What an
pendejo.
asshole.
Yep. That was about an 8 on the asshole scale. Asshole scale? Well, that doesn't
Escala
sound right.
cabrón. Uy, ¿quién está por ahí?
Is he gone?
Yes,
Bonito.
thankfully.
¿Él escondió el vino?
Buffkin!
Hello, Miss Snow.
Drinking? This early? Where did you get that?
It was by Mr. Ichabod's desk.
Then don't you think it probably belongs to him?
Maybe. How are you today, Mr. Bigby?
Estoy bien.
Fine, Buffkin. Thanks for asking.
Buffkin, get the books.
Which books?
The ones with all the fables in it.
Not sure that was any more specific.
Bring the first 3.
Be back in a few minutes.
He knows the ones I'm talking about. There's bound to be information on her here. Somewhere. We'll at least be able to get her real name from the books whenever Buffkin finds them. In the meantime, poke around. Maybe the mirror can help.
¡El espejo!
I really
El
have to get
espejo de
this
Oeste, ¿no?
appointment squared away, but let me know if you need anything.
Tengo, ya, eso es Harry Potter.
Hello,
El
Vivian.
espejito, espejito.
Espejito, espejito. Mira, mira el reflejo. ¿Puedo hablar?
Hey, magic mirror. I got a question.
You know the rule.
I don't have time for this shit.
Your impatience is callow. You're needlessly cruel, but have some respect for our history and rules.
Mirror, mirror. If you're able, tell me all about this fable.
See? Was that so hard?
Yeah, I'm about 2 seconds away from kicking a hole in you.
There's no need for that. Fine. Of which fable do you wish to know?
Hombre del bosque.
Show me the woodsman. Where is he?
What you see is complete. The woodsman
Todavía
stumbles
vive.
down a street.
¿Cómo?
No
Pues sí,
shit.
lo hemos
Which
matado.
No,
street?
que no me muere. Que
I'm
son
sorry,
difíciles de
Bigby.
matar.
Pero
I
el
can
man no es
only
una
show
fábula.
you what
Sí,
can
él
be
es una
seen.
fábula. Sí, Bigby también es una fábula. Y le pusieron la barriga y le echaron piedras y lo tiraron al río y ahí
Pero
está
es que
todavía.
él es una criatura sobrenatural.
Show me
El
Snow
hombre del
White.
bosque no lo es.
Sí, sí lo es porque es un...
Ah,
Not
terminar
much of a request. She's in this very room.
Show me Buffkin. Hey, put down the bottle and get to work.
Still looking!
No sé el nombre. A
I
ver.
don't know her name. Not yet, anyway.
Well, until you do, I can't help you.
Nobody right now.
Very well. Please return should you wish to ask about someone else. Or someone new.
Está borracho.
Well, I'm sure we'll get it all cleared up. Okay, thank you.
Había una...
La lámpara mágica, la proto. A ver si sale un demonio de ahí.
Try. Magic lamps are pretty much just lamps after the genie's been freed.
Y el genio ya se liberó. Y eso es una lámpara. Yo nunca lo he entendido.